Alright, hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Monday, 8th of June. So we're gonna start off with the euro against the US dollar. But before that, just want to say the non-farm payroll employment change has performed very well, well above the forecast. So is the average hourly earnings, which has been a very key focus for the Federal Reserve in terms of their decision to raise the interest rates. So therefore, after the NFP itself, the sentiment has kind of turned into a very bullish dollar, and subsequent economic data, whichever they will affect the inflation or the employment, or rather the labor market itself, will pose a very huge impact to the US dollar itself. Right, so right here we are expecting price to fall even further. Price has got resisted successfully at the price of 1.1348, feeble expansion 1.4%, and right now in the smaller time frame itself, after the slit right here, we are waiting for further retracement, or rather consolidation right here, to go for a short opportunity. Alright, so in the 1 hourly chart, what we can do is that we can actually plot a falling trend channel right here, and wait for price to retrace till it touches the trend line itself, before we go for the short. Alright, or if not, the 55 moving average could be the next resistance level to look for an entry price. Expecting price to fall all the way to the support level at 1.0844, feeble expansion 161.8%. And that is pretty much for the euro against US dollar. Next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So this is the 4 hourly chart. So similarly, price has fallen and tumbled in a way, and right now it is making retracement, or rather consolidation. So right here we can use a trend line as well. Alright, just wait for price to retrace further. I'm looking at either the 55 moving average as the resistance level, or rather the trend line to go for the short opportunity. Alright, and of course, since price has already broken below the key support level, or rather the final exhaustion level at the price of 0.7076, we are expecting price to fall even further till the bottom of the major falling trend channel again, or rather at the next exhaustion level, price of 0.6995. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next we have the pound against US dollar. Well, the price has fallen pretty much during the non-farm payroll itself, but it has also recovered almost 50% of the drop right here, and right now price is consolidating. If you look at the 1 hour chart again, we are actually seeing a consolidation, more of a symmetrical triangle itself, expecting price to consolidate further, or rather retrace further till it touches the trend line, the falling trend line, as you can see right here, to go for the short opportunity again. Alright, in the 4 hourly chart, as you can see that although price has attempted to break above the 200 moving average, but right after the employment data from the US itself, price has fell below the 200 moving average again. So in that sense, we are expecting price to fall even further, and expecting price to form a probable falling trend channel. So as it touches the or rather as it retraces to a better entry price, wait for a short opportunity, and we are expecting price to fall all the way to the bottom of the probable falling trend channel. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Next we have the Aussie against US dollar. Right now we are seeing the price has fallen and got supported at the key support level, rather the final exhaustion level at the price of 0.7603. Expecting price to rebound and retraces at this key support level, so you might want to look for the long opportunity for the retracement itself. What we can do right here is also to plot a falling trend channel, falling trend line, and we expect the price to retrace pretty significantly, since we are at the key support level, and this might even form a double bottom. So you may want to go for a long. Just look out for the trend line right here, as well as the 55 moving average as the first resistance level if you want to go for a long. Still pretty good profits here, or if not, you may just want to wait for retracement to go for the short instead. Alright, so that is for the Aussie against US dollar. Next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so price has read it, and finally got exhausted when it comes close to the key resistance level, final exhaustion level, the price of 125.99 or rather 126.100, Fibonacci expansion 161.8%. Rather we are seeing consolidation and quick retracement, just waiting. In fact, right now we are seeing the price is being supported at the 20 moving average. This could be already the signal to go for the long opportunity. During the smaller time frame, alright, that is in the one of the charts as I have just mentioned. Alright, if not, if price got fall a little bit further, then we will take the 55 moving average as the next key support level. While if we observe the pattern, the past pattern is somewhere at the 20 moving average is where the price will begin to appreciate. So you might want to just watch closely for the next 1 to 2 hours to look for the long opportunity right here. Alright, so expecting price to appreciate all the way till it touches the final exhaustion level, the price of 126.100, and further above will be at the price of 126.88, Fibonacci expansion 141.4%. Alright, believe that there's still a long way to go. Key level to look for is actually at the price of 128.10. Alright, so that's for dollar against Japanese yen, and finally we have the dollar against the Swiss franc, which has rallied as well, but has recovered almost 50%, just like the pound against the US dollar. Expecting price to retrace a little bit further before we look for the long opportunity. Alright, and price has also successfully rebounded off from the key support level at 0.9308, Fibonacci retracement level of 50%, and of course as well as the top of a previously broken falling trend channel. So right here I have also plotted a rising trend channel, and we can see that there is a probable rising trend channel that's forming right here. So if you are to be able to find a better entry price to go for a long, expecting price to appreciate all the way to the top of the rising trend channel itself. Pretty good profit right here. Alright, as long as the US economy data do not disappoint at any point of time, then we are expecting dollar to resume strengthening as of now. Alright, so that is for the dollar against the Swiss franc, and with that I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.